to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, in today's recipe is going to be a traditional Goan recipe, and it's called potato chop, and I'll be using some chicken kheema. Now I've already uploaded the recipe for the kheema, so I will link that in my description box below. Otherwise, I will just list down the ingredients that I've used for the chicken kheema. Now this potato chop can be eaten by itself with some tomato ketchup, or you can accompany it with some dal, rice, or even some plain rice with some Goan fish curry or some Goan curry, which is called sorap, which is a plain curry. It's a very versatile dish, and you're going to love it. This takes me back to my childhood, and my mom used to make this for me when I was at home on my vacations and I was reading my favorite book. So I would get to eat that with a nice big cup of chocolate milk or some juice, and it was really a treat. So I hope you like today's recipe. I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments box below how you liked it. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do hit the red subscribe button below and subscribe to Akshata's Recipes. And I'll catch you in my next video. So now let's go to my kitchen and make this lovely Goan chicken potato chops. So friends, if you want to see how I make the chicken kheema, you have to watch the video till the end, and it's a very unique recipe. It's my own recipe. So this is the chicken kheema that is ready. Now here I've taken 2 medium-sized potatoes which I've boiled and peeled. Now one tip I'd like to give you over here is boil the potatoes in advance, refrigerate them for a few hours, overnight preferably, because it's easier to work with the cold potatoes. Now I'm adding a pinch of salt to this, and I'm going to mash it up till I get a nice smooth consistency. Now we're just going to take some lime-sized balls, flatten them up, fill about half a teaspoon of the chicken kheema inside, seal it up well, and keep it aside. So like I said, it's better to work with cold potatoes rather than hot potatoes. First of all, it's very difficult to handle the potatoes, and secondly, they are a little on the soggier side. So one tip is to refrigerate them and then try and make the potato chops. Now, after making all the potato chops, you can also refrigerate this and, just fry them whenever you want to. They stay in the refrigerator for about a day or two. So now here what I've done is I've kept some breadcrumbs ready, and I've beaten up 1 egg with a pinch of salt. I have a tablespoon of oil heating up in a frying pan. So first I'm just going to dip the potato chop into 1 beaten egg and then coat them well with the breadcrumbs. And once your oil is nice and ready, you just shallow fry them on both sides till they're golden brown in color. And fry them on a low to medium heat. And once they are golden brown on one side, you can just flip them over and fry them on the other side too. And now, following this, I'm going to show you all how I make my special chicken kheema. So keep watching. So here I have about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil gets a little hot on a low to medium flame, we are going to add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I've used about 1 inch of ginger and about 5 cloves of garlic, and I've minced it really fine.
Now we're going to fry this well till the rawness of the ginger and the garlic goes away. Once that is done, we're going to add one medium-sized onion which I've chopped fine. We're going to fry all of this together. Now we're going to add the chicken mince, which I have washed once in a colander, a very fine whole colander. And now we're going to just fry this for about a minute or so till the onion and the ginger garlic gets mixed with it well. And now I'm going to add all powder spices, most of which are made at home. Now this is a ready-made meat masala which is easily available. So I've used about 2 tablespoons or 1 small packet. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is just for the color. It doesn't add any spiciness. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. My cumin powder, coriander powder and pepper powder are all homemade. And I've also added 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. I am going to be coming up with a video on how I make all these powder masalas at home. Now mix in all of these powders well with the mince. And now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of garam masala. This garam masala is again homemade. I have a recipe uploaded on my channel. I'm also adding some Frankie masala. Now this is optional. If you get Frankie masala easily, then add it. And I also add half a teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. So I'll add some salt to taste. I will leave a link of how I make garam masala at home in the description box as well as the comments box. So don't forget to go and check it out. And now we're going to fry this on a medium to high flame for about a minute or so, seeing that everything is mixed up well. And then we're going to cover and cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes. And your chicken keema is all ready. So I hope you like today's recipes and I hope you give them a try and let me know how you like them in the comments box below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. And once you have subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the bell. In that way, whenever I upload any video on my channel, you will get a message for the same, so you won't miss out anything that's happening on Akshata's recipes. Share my recipes with family and friends. Visit my channel. I have more than 250 recipes and a lot of vlogs where you will get to know me better. So guys, have a great day and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.